Have you ever pondered over the complex process of conducting a data governance audit? It's a fascinating journey, a meticulous dance of checks and balances designed to ensure that your organization's data is accurate, accessible, consistent, and protected. So how does this intricate process unfold? Let's delve into the step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Identify the scope. This is the starting point, where you define the data sets to be audited. This could be a specific database, a group of data assets, or the entire data infrastructure of your organization. The scope sets the stage for the rest of the audit. Step 2. Establish the criteria. Here, you decide the standards against which you will assess the data. These could be regulatory requirements, industry benchmarks, or your organization's own internal standards. The criteria will serve as your measuring stick throughout the audit. Step 3. Gather the data. This is where you collect the relevant data from the identified sources within the scope. Data gathering can be a time-consuming process, but it is crucial to the success of the audit. The quality of the data gathered will directly impact the accuracy of the audit findings. Step 4. Analyze the data. Now that you have the data, you need to examine it closely. You compare the data against the established criteria, looking for discrepancies, inconsistencies, and potential areas of concern. This step requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of data analysis techniques. Step 5. Report the findings. Once the analysis is complete, you consolidate your findings into a comprehensive report. This report should clearly outline the results of the audit, highlighting any areas of concern and providing recommendations for improvement. Step 6. Implement changes. The final step in the audit process is to take action based on the findings. This could involve modifying data management procedures, implementing new data governance policies, or undertaking further audits to monitor progress. In conclusion, the process of conducting a data governance audit involves 6 key steps: identifying the scope, establishing the criteria, gathering the data, analyzing the data, reporting the findings, and implementing changes. Each step is crucial in its own right, contributing to the overall effectiveness and success of the audit. Remember, a well-conducted data governance audit can provide invaluable insights into your organization's data management practices, highlighting areas for improvement and helping to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. So the next time you ponder over a data governance audit, think of it as an opportunity to make your data work better and smarter for you.